Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Facebook video lag. So if you're trying to watch video on Facebook but it is lagging, there's some sort of issue while playing the video. So in this video, we will see how to fix it. So first you have to make sure that you have a good internet connection. If you don't have it, you can also use your data. Make sure both of them or one of them is working really well, because if you have the internet issue, then this could be the reason behind the video lag. But let's say this is not the issue, then you can just simply go to Facebook, and then on the right side you will see your profile icon. You just have to click onto it. Then on the right side, you will see this settings gear icon along with search icon. You have to click onto it. Then you have to scroll down, and in preferences, you will see the media option. Go for it, and there we have two options: optimized and data saver in video quality. So if you have the optimized, it will take a lot of internet, and if the internet is not good, then it will affect your video. But in data saver, the video will play but the quality will drop. So if you're okay with that, the quality is dropping but you want to watch the video, then you can just simply go for data saver, and after that the video lag issue will be resolved. So that's how you can fix the video lag on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.